Hello guys, welcome back to the channel as part of our Python programming language series. Today we are going to solve a problem known as electricity bill problem. This is one of the interesting problem and many people feel this is somewhat little bit tricky or tough or something. But in your semester exams also you can expect this problem. It is a good problem in else if condition category. So this is a good problem and my favorite problem. Now let's we teach this and I hope you people can understand after the video. And before going to start, only one request I am asking you. Think that you want to pay your electricity bill in your home. Okay, this is the scenario. You want to pay, you need to calculate. For example, if you go to the meter, that guy will come and will tell that you have consumed some xxx units. For example, it may be 300, it may be 253, it may be 153 units. Okay, these units of electricity you have been consumed in the month, per month, in this 1 month. So how to calculate bill? Indirectly you are writing program for that scenario. For that guy you are writing the program. Okay, now this is your home. Okay, I am a bad artist, but okay, I have somehow I drawn the house. See here, I kept the window also. No need to worry, you have fresh air. Now we are going to start this. Okay, only one scenario. And if you don't understand, please rewatch the first part. Okay, this will be two parts: first understanding the problem and writing the code. Okay, if you understand the problem very well, then the coding part is very easy. If you don't understand the problem very well, the coding part will be very tough. Okay, very confusing actually. If you can understand the problem very well, then it will be very easy. Okay, this is the what I want to tell you now. First, okay, first, once we'll read the question, we need to write a Python program which takes number of units. Okay, number of units as input. So basically what is the input for our program? Number of units as input. And we need to print the electricity bill, means how much amount you need to pay, tariff something. You need this month you need to pay 500, 600, 555 rupees. How to calculate that? We need to print the bill amount. Okay, bill amount, we need to print the output. This is the question. Okay, now what are the rules? What are the rules? Till 100 units. Okay, first 100 units, 0 to 100. Till 100 units means 0 to 100. 0 to 100, how much I need to pay? 1 rupee per unit. If I consume 50 units, I need to pay rupees 50. If I consume 70 units, then I need to pay rupees 70. 1 rupee per unit. Okay, like this, correct? Now second, till 200. Till 200, how much I need to pay? 2 rupees per unit. 2 rupees per unit. Next, till 400 units, how much I need to pay? 3 rupees per unit. Extra units, more than 400. More than 400, how much you need to pay? 5 rupees per unit. Okay, now I will take 5 examples and I will make you understand clear. Okay, listen carefully. If if for example 30 units, 50 units, 70 units, 80 units, 90 units, or else 95. Okay, different units. First, what they told, till 100 units, less than 100, till 100, what they should pay? Till 100, what should they pay? 1 rupee per unit, correct? If 30 units, sir, your bill is 30 rupees. If 50 rupees, your bill is 50 rupees. If 70 units, less than 100, right, less than or equal to 100, till 100, so your bill is 70 rupees. If it is 80, he will pay 80 rupees. If it is 95, he will pay 95. Why? Because till 100, what they told, 1 unit 1 rupee. So 30 into 1, 30, 50 into 1, 50, 70 into 1, 70, 80 into 1, 80, 95 into 1, 95. This is the scenario. First case we solved. If it is less than 100. Now listen this careful. Listen this carefully. If it is between till 200, means from 101 to 200, how we need to pay? This is the important thing. Okay, 150, think he has 150 units and 130 units, 185 units, 190 units. Okay, how will he pay? This is the question. Now according to the question, first 100 units in these 150, first 100, what he will pay? 100 rupees, 100 units, correct? In this first 100, 0 to 100 units, what the amount he will pay? 100 rupees. Why? Because 1 unit 1 rupee. First condition, what they told, till 100, 1 rupee per unit. Next, 101 to 150, 101 to 150, next 50 units, what he will pay? 50 star 2. Why? Because they told till 200, 2 rupees per unit. 2 rupees per unit, so that he will pay 100 rupees plus 50 into 2, one more 100, it is equivalent to 200. Am I correct? 100 plus 100, total 200. Similarly, next case, for the first 100 units, he will pay 100 rupees. Next 30 units is there, right? What they told? Till 200, 2 rupees per unit. So that 30 units star 2. So he will pay 160 as the bill. Now third case. First 100 units he will pay 0 to 100 units. He will pay 100 rupees plus 101 to 85, 185. 101 to 85, 180. Yeah, now these remaining 101 to 185 units, correct? For these 85 units, what we need to pay into 2 rupees, correct? What they told, till 100, 1 rupee only. Remaining till 200 means from 101 to 85 units, these units you need to pay. These units you need to pay 180, 2 rupees means approximately 80, 80, 160, 85 into 2, 170. So total they will pay approximately 100 plus 70, 270 rupees they will pay like this. For example, if it is 190, just you people give a try. Till 0 to 100, what they will pay? They will pay 100 rupees. Then 101 to 90 units, 190 till these 90 units, they will pay into 2 rupees. Total 100 plus 180, 280 rupees. This is the bill per the next 200 rupees units. I hope you people understand how I am doing the bill. Now, observe carefully. If that is if the bill is between 200 to 400 units, okay, for example 350 units, 350 units, okay, how they will pay, understand this very carefully. Till 350 units, how they will pay for the first 100 units, 0 to 100, every time what they will pay, 100 rupees. Next, these 101 to 200, this again, these 100 units, what they will pay, 100 units, before it is 1 rupee, now it is 2 rupee. So total 100 rupees. Next, this one 200 rupees. So total 300 they paid. Next till 400, observe here, till 400 means how many units left? 200, 201 to 201 to 350, total 150 units, 150 units into 3 rupees. So total he will pay 450. So 450 plus 200, 650 plus 100, 750 rupees. 750 rupees is the payment he will do. For example, if he used 1000 units, okay, 1000 units, how he will pay? First, 0 to 100, how many units? 100 rupees, and he need to pay 1 rupee per unit, so that he will pay rupees 100. Next, 101 to 200, total how many units? 100 units. So this guy he will pay 2 rupees per unit, and for this he will pay 200. Next, 201 to 400. Why? Because they told till 400 units, okay, till 400 units. Total how many units? 200 units, star 3 rupees. He will pay 600. Next, from 400 onwards, from 400 onwards, okay, from 400 onwards, how much you need to pay? You need to pay 5 rupees per unit, 5 rupees per unit. So this 401 to 1000, how many units total? Approximately 600 units, am I right? 401 to 1000, total how many units? 600 units. How much he will pay? Into 5 rupees. So for these only he will pay 3000. 3000 plus 600, 3600 plus 200, 3800 plus 100, 3900. This is the bill. So like this we will calculate the bill, okay, like this we will calculate the bill, okay. Am I correct? I hope you people understand this, how we are calculating the bill. Now we will write the code for this, okay, we'll write the code for this. We'll write the code. First they will take the input as units, correct? Units is equals to int of input of, just they will take the int of input of, they will take the units, okay. Now if 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 the units less than or equal to 100, if the units is less than or equal to 100, what they will do? just they will print units, number of units into 1 rupee. Correct. This is the bill. Am I right? Am I right? Now, if else if else if units less than or equal to 200, less than or equal to 200, okay, for example 150, 150, 150, think how we need to pay. First, for 100 units you need to pay 1 rupee. First 100 units you need to pay 1 rupee, plus plus now units, what are the units, how many units, 150, right? For these units how much you should minus? First 100 we already paid here, first 100 already we paid here, so that remove 100 units minus 100, already you paid the bill. For the remaining units you pay into 2 rupees. Now how it will calculate? For example, if 150 less than or equal to 100, false. Now 150 less than or equal to 200, correct. Now what it will do? First 100 units, 100 rupees plus 150 units minus 100. Now what it will become? 50 star 2. How much he will pay? 100 plus 50 star 2. So 100 plus 100, 200. Before we solve, we also got 200. It is correct. Now, else if, okay, again, if units less than or equal to 400, now how he will pay the bill? Now let's see. First, print first 100 units, 100 into 1 rupee. First 100 units. Next 100 units, 100 into 2 rupee. Why? Because 100, 101 to 200, he need to pay 2 rupee per unit. Next. How many units we already paid? How many units we already paid? We paid for 100, 100, total 200. So that units minus 200 into 3 rupees. Am I correct? 3 rupees only, right? Yeah, 3 rupees only. So 3 rupees only they will pay. Now, else fourth case, if it is more than 400, then only we will come into this case. Then how to pay? How to pay? Observe carefully. Print first 100 units 1 rupee plus next 100 units 2 rupee. Next 201 to 400, here 200 units bracket. See here, 201 to 400, 200 units gap. So 200 units gap into 3 rupees plus units minus till where we have paid 100, 100, 200, total 400. So that units minus 400 star 5 rupees. This is the way we will calculate the bill. Okay, this is a very simple. I hope you people got the clear why we wrote here 100 star 100 star 2, 200 star 3, these things. And while writing the program, we will not write every time 100 star 1. Why? Because every time why the computer need to find this, just we will write 100 rupees and here we'll write 200 rupees, like this we will write. Okay, here observe this code very carefully. Now we will write the Python code. Okay, now I am using Python online GDB compiler. Now let's see, we'll write this code. And first units, okay, units is equals to integer units. Now there will be no half unit or 1 by 4th unit. uh, Enter the number of units. Now these guys will enter the units. If units are less than or equal to 100, now how we need to pay? Just print unit star 1 rupee. Correct, unit star 1 rupee. Else if units less than or equal to 200, now how we need to pay? Print first 100 units. What the amount we need to pay? 100 rupees, 100 star 1 plus units minus 100 star 2. Okay, this is correct, right? 100 star 2. Next, else if units less than or equal to 400, then what we need to pay? Print units for first 100 rupees, next 100, 200, 100 star 2. Next, if you observe, units minus 200 star 3 rupees. Correct. This is the third case. Now last case, else case. Okay, else what we need to print? First 100 rupees, next 100 200 rupees, next 200 units, 200 star 3, 600, correct. 600 plus, we did all these calculations before, units minus 400, till 400 we have solved already. First 100, 1 minute, first 100, next 100, next 200, so that I am doing units minus 400 star 5 rupees. Okay, this is the program. That's all, the program is done. Now we will run this program and we will see the result, how it is evaluating. Okay, for we remember one value, for the 150 units we need to get the bill of first 100 units 100 rupees, next 50 units 100 rupees, total 200. Let's see what is the price. See, we are getting 200. Am I correct? Now we can, you can run with the different examples and different trials, and you can see this program. You can test with the different cases which we have solved before. And if you have any doubt, please give me a comment. If you really like this video, if you really like this video, please give me a comment and share to your friends. Okay, this is the one thing I am expecting from you. Okay, okay guys, bye guys, meet you in the next video.